Hello! Today I am going to make this wine shelf. If you like the design and want to see how I made it, please watch the video until the end, share, subscribe, anything you like, and enjoy the video. Thank you! Wine rack that we are going to make today is quite simple. It is a modular design. It consists of only two parts. One of them is parallel holder. This is the dimension, 300 millimeters by 85, and the second is actually wine holder. It is 820 millimeters long and 85 millimeters wide. We are going to cut this on a bandsaw. We have transferred our cutting line to the board. Now we are going to the bandsaw. I have made 2 cuts, but as you can see I have a problem. The width of my saw on the bandsaw is 12 millimeters, and the radius is too small for this saw to cut it right. I cannot make the turn. I will need to find a thicker, smaller saw for my bandsaw, but in the meantime I need to find another solution how to cut this curve. So my original plan didn't work because of the problem with the saw on the bandsaw. Now I'm going with the plan B, and the plan B is to use this hole saw to cut this curve right here. And I have also lowered the center of this circle by 2 centimeters. So now the position of the template will be something like this. I have finished with the drilling. You can see the cutouts, total of 24 holes. So this is the result of cutting. I have made 4 boards with wave shape rack and 4 with the straight line. I will put this one on the back, this one on the front. Let's test assemble the rack to see what is situation. Well, I will need to do some additional sanding for all the boards to fit nicely to the holders. Otherwise, I'm satisfied with the look. This is the final look of our assembled wine shelf. As you can see, it can hold 36 bottles, 4 rows with 6 bottles. It is a modular design. You can change it to have only 6, 12, 18, 24, any way you like. So this is the end of my build, of my video. If you like it, please subscribe, it means a lot to me. You can also share if you like. See you in the next one. Have a nice day, bye!